Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a self-care / shower routine. Here I'm just showing you guys the products I'm going to be using in the shower. I really liked that Dove exfoliator. It's a really gentle exfoliator, which I like. Also, my Bath and Body Works products, like I feel like people be sleeping on them products, like the body washes and the lotions, like they have a really strong smell that lasts. But yeah, I'm just getting a real good lather. And now that I'm out of the shower, I'm following up with my Bath and Body Works lotion. I do like to use Jergens as well. I like how it leaves my skin feeling smooth and soft. But today I just use my Bath and Body Works products. Really important to get a good lotion up after the shower because, you know, it's the winter time. My skin gets real dry at this time, especially my face. But yeah. Now I'm just going to follow up with my perfume. You know, right after your shower, you got to spray your perfume for it to last. This perfume is by Rihanna. I don't know the particular name. But yeah, now I'm going to light my candles to get the mood, you know, going. I have like a woodsy type of candle and then like a French vanilla candle. They smell real good together. And then after that, you see I got my wine ready, my Stella Rose. I live by her. But yeah, I'm going to pour up and yep. Now that our wine's ready, I'm finna go ahead and wash my face. I'm just gonna start off, of course, by washing my hands first. And then I'm just gonna wet my face. And then I'm gonna be using my CeraVe hydrating face wash. I need to get some like, I don't know, like a foaming wash or something. Because the one I use doesn't lather up and I don't like that. But yeah. After that, I'm going to dry my face off, follow up with my witch hazel, and then moisturize. Really simple, to the point little skincare routine. Now, y'all, this day I was feeling really productive. So I'm just going to use this razor to just line up my eyebrows. This makes such a huge difference. But yeah, I got this little razor thing from the beauty supply store, and I'm going to just clean my eyebrows up. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.